Alright, I have a convertible top that's in good shape, but the plastic window is foggy, so I'm going to try to see if it cleans up with some of this Mothers headlight restoration kit, and we'll see if we can restore the plastic window. Alright, it looks a lot better. It was able to restore it some. It's not perfect, but it is a lot better than it was. And that's the product I used right there. Only took about 15 minutes, and sitting in the car I can see a lot better out of that rear plastic window now. So before I used the restoration kit, I would have given the clarity of my back window about a 5 out of a 10, but after using the restoration kit I'd give it somewhere between a 7 and an 8 out of 10. What you want to do is, after you use the kit, in order to keep your window in good shape, I would give it a quick paste wax, just as you would wax the rest of your car. And then going forward, what you want to do is keep that window clean of any dirt and grime, so then this way when you put down the top, you're not grinding all that dirt and that into the window and marking it up. And then while you're at it, I also recommend 303 products to clean and protect your vinyl top. You have the 303 multi-surface cleaner and the 303 protectant. And as you can see, the top looks good as new, and I recommend doing that around once a month.